He is a chef. And he's also a magician. Are you guys excited to see him?
Yeah!
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
I think they're ready for you, Mr. Monster Chef. Oh, I know there's no stairs. This is Mr. Monster Chef. Say hi to your audience.
Dinner?
No, not dinner. Shh, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't scare the kids.
They look yummy.
No. All right. Mr. Monster Chef, show them that you're nice, Mr. Monster Chef. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. All right.
Yum, yum, yum.
Wow. What's that all about, Mr. Monster
You
Chef?
look delicious.
All right, Mr. Monster Chef, why don't you tell the kids a little bit about how you became a magician?
Magician. I'm chef.
Yeah, you're a magician and a chef, right?
No, chef.
But this is a magic show.
Not cooking show?
No, this is not a cooking show. This is not the Cooking Network.
What?
No, this is like we're doing a show for the kids. It's about magic.
I thought this was dinner theater. They look yummy.
No, stop saying that.
Okay.
All right, is there something magical that we can do with food?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Take the paper.
Take this paper.
Yes.
All right. I got the paper.
Okay, eat the paper. Okay.
This isn't. I don't like to eat paper, and this one's really big.
All right. Roll it into cone.
Into a cone. The magicians always ask me to do the strangest things. Okay. I'm making a paper cone.
Good.
All right, got it.
Now take rotten milk.
Rotten milk. I thought something smelled out here.
That was me.
Okay,
Now
rotten milk.
pour rotten milk into cone.
You guys want to smell it first?
Okay, come on. Pour it into cone.
Okay. I was just about to pour this in the cone. All right, you almost had me. It's just going to come right out the bottom.
No, pour. Trust me.
Paper does not hold liquids very well.
It'll be fine. Trust me.
All right, you know what? I trusted Houdini and I trusted Flopperfield. I'm going to trust you too. Did you just laugh?
No.
I'm going to make sure that it doesn't step on me. Okay.
Keep going. Keep going.
Are you guys scared?
No.
Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, open paper fast on them.
Open the paper fast on them.
On them.
Yeah, see? You guys thought he was on your side. He's not. Okay, I don't really want to do this.
Open. Open.
Whoa. All right, very magical, very magical. I like that. All right, let's hear it from Mr. Monster Chef.
Now enter.
Well, you shouldn't have had me pour your milk into the thing if you were thirsty.
Well, I'm thirsty. Where's my soda?
Your soda. I don't know where to leave it.
Yes. Right there.
Oh, in your lunch bag.
Yes. You drink it.
I didn't drink it.
Did you drink it? Okay, what do we do with this? You recycle it.
You're going to recycle it. All right.
Yes. Do you
All right.
recycle?
Do you recycle?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, we should, right?
Let me see.
All right, Mr. Monster Chef is going to recycle
I'm
too.
gonna make it disappear. Voila. It's gone.
I don't think that's one of your best tricks there.
What? I recycle. It's gone.
I don't think they're really buying it.
Look. Oh no. Sorry.
Yeah, I think they saw through that one right away,
Okay,
Mr. Monster
please.
Chef.
All right.
They're pretty smart.
I got it.
Yeah, I mean, if they're in the light one,
Okay,
obviously.
here we go.
Whoa.
There you go. You're going now. Voila.
You didn't even see that? Whoa. All right, remind me not to make you angry, Mr. Monster Chef. Yes, some muscles there.
Thank you.
Okay,
You're
Mr.
cute,
Monster
too.
Chef. All right, what are we gonna do, Mr. Monster Chef?
Are you
I
ready
see
to
we have
cook?
all this food here, yeah? Are you gonna cook something for us?
Yes.
All right. Oh, you need the pot? Let me grab the pot. All right, here's the pot. And then, do you need these ingredients?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, my favorite. We're going to make ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
Yes.
You guys ever had ratatouille?
Awesome.
It's a very fancy French dish, yeah,
Yes.
made with vegetables and
I
good
do
stuff.
fancy stuff.
All
I
right.
use frog.
Frog, wait!
Frog.
Are you serious, Frog? No.
Yeah, it's frog.
Frog is not going in the pot.
Why?
I'm not gonna eat that frog.
Why not? Chicago style frog. Chicago style ratatouille?
No.
No, don't put it in the.
No.
Okay.
The frog is not going in the pot.
Now,
All right.
we have carrot. I got from Butterfield. We have another carrot.
That's where the carrots went. You're just looking everywhere for those.
I needed
It was
them.
a huge deal.
Well, I needed them.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. We have rotten egg.
Why does everything have to be rotten?
My monster. Rotten egg. Rotten egg.
Everyone gets a taste when he's done.
Yes. Banana. 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 Orange. Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
All right, and the
My
most,
favorite.
yes, the most interesting ingredient of all.
Worms.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here. Some music.
Yeah, go ahead. All right.
Oh, good.
Oh, they're singing along. They know this song.
No. All right, I think we're done.
Okay.
Good job. All right, we need pan.
Oh, that's the pan
Yes.
for cooking. All right.
Pour the ingredients into pan.
I don't want to get that close to these
Don't
ingredients.
get honey on you. This thing won't come off.
Did you say the stink won't come off?
No. You smell like that from bees.
How do I get into these things? I have no idea. All right.
You wanted the job.
I'm gonna be gentle here. Okay.
Thank you, though. Yeah, be careful. Don't get on it.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down here so I won't get it.
All right.
Okay.
Now, take lid, put on top of pan.
Okay, here we go. Ta-da!
Where's the stove?
There's no stove here.
Why? What? This is cooking show.
No, I already told you this is a magic show and we're at a library. I don't think they usually have like full-size kitchens in here. You might have to do it magically.
Oh.
It is a magic show.
All right. So we have to come up with magic word.
Okay.
I love garbage. I like that.
No, I don't like that.
We got a three. We'll say hocus pocus.
Hocus pocus.
Nope.
I mean, if
Just
you like
hocus
food,
pocus.
whatever.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ratatouille.
Okay.
Oh, he's nice.
No, that is not ratatouille. That is a rat. No, that is a rat. Is it nice?
Oh, very nice. All right. Put this back on that. All right. Now let's put the lid back on the lid.
You know what? I really don't trust you anymore, Mr. Monster
Why?
Chef. I don't trust you.
Ratatouille nice.
Your lid doesn't go back on the pan. Whoa. The lid doesn't go back. All right. Well, we'll see.
All right. Let's see, we may work.
All right.
One,
Is
two.
there gonna be another rat in there?
Yes.
Oh, come on. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do we need some magic words? No.
Oh,
Whoa. All right. Wait, I don't know what to do now, Mr. Monster Chef. It's not working.
no, technical difficulty. All right. All right, we take, 2 panda. There we go. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2. Ready for rat?
Yeah. No.
It was her birthday.
It was my birthday. Thank you, Mr. Monster Chef.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, Mr. Ratatouille
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, let's leave.
fell asleep.
All right. Do I get dessert?
Dessert?
Yes, then.
Dessert. No, you don't get to eat them. We already talked about that.
Okay. All right. All right. Let it go now.
All right. I'm sweating now. It scared me. Woo. All right, guys. Who can tell me their favorite part of Mr. Monster Chef's show? Yeah? Let me see. Get the jacket right over there. She's fine. Okay. Oh, he liked the rat part the best. What's going on, Mr. Station? All right, Mr. Stagehand wants to do something for you.
Look, I can do an elevator. Okay.
Yay! Yay!
All right. Well,
All right,
go
I
back.
weren't that impressed.
Oh, sorry. Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye. Okay, we need to finish the show. That was the most important part of the show. Now we get to decide who the winner is.
That's right, the vote.
Yeah? All right, so your 3 contestants were Mr. Foodini, remember him?
No.
And then Mr. Flopperfield, and then Mr. Monster Chef. All right? So when I say each contestant's name, you get to applaud and yell and scream for which one you like the best, okay? Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, so first was Mr. Foodini. Mr. Foodini, they liked you, they really liked you.
Thank you very much.
All right, then we had Mr. Flopperfield.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then we had Mr. Monster Chef. Oh, I think Mr. Monster Chef was the winner, although it was close. Yeah?
Oh,
It was close between Flopperfield and Mr. Monster Chef. Are you going to come out and take another bow, Mr. Monster
oh,
Chef?
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, thank you very much.
so excited.
Now, you guys have any questions for me? Thank you for choosing me.
Oh, we have lots of questions, lots of questions. All right, what about this one right here in the blue and the orange?
I like when he made that.
Oh, thank you. Ratatouille's my friend.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's my
All right, what about over here, the girl in the black and the pink? Yeah.
Yes, you. She's cute.
How did you turn those
Oh, that's magic.
Yeah, but not
Magic
like,
shot.
yeah.
What? You're in front.
All right, what about the girl with the long tree braids?
Well, I.
Hi.
I like
The birthday cake.
It's her birthday. We had to.
Yeah.
You guys say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Oh, you guys want to sing?
No. Yeah.
Would you guys like to come up and meet me?
Yeah!
Well, we'll do a line. You know, if you guys want to, we'll start over here. And then you guys will come over and shake my hand.
Yeah, don't
Okay.
give him a hug though.
Oh, you can hug me. I can go fight.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, I know. All right. Closer.
All right, so you guys want to Mr. Chef? Joe, you afraid he's gonna eat your head? He won't, I promise. I'll make sure he doesn't. Look, I'll like this. All right, come on up, shake his hand.
Hi. Hi. How are you? What's your name? Casey. Oh, I love your hair. Can you take a bite? How are you? All right. How are you? Oh, thank you.
That was a nice hug.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello. How are you? Hi. What's up, big? Oh, thank you, big man. Oh, thank you. I know this one. What's up? No one.